Why Google Ads is more important. Learn digital marketing with Digital Pawan. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss a topic that every online marketer should know. Why Google Ads is more important. Let me ask you a question first. Have you ever noticed that when you do a Google search, the first few links are usually ads? Ever wondered why? That's because Google Ads is one of the best and most effective ways to drive traffic to your website. In today's video, we're going to explore the various reasons as to why Google Ads is more important than ever before. So let's dive right into it. As you know, in today's digital world, online marketing has become a necessity for businesses of all sizes. It's essential to reach the right audience and promote your product or service. There are various ways to do so: SEO, social media, email marketing, etc. But the question is it enough? Can you rely on just one medium? The answer is no. But why? That's where Google Ads comes in. Google Ads is different from other online marketing channels. It's a paid service that targets potential customers who are searching for services or products that you offer. Unlike other channels, you have more control over your budget, targeting, and ad design. Google Ads is easy and efficient to use. It's designed in a way that even a beginner can use it without any trouble. With the help of Google Ads, online marketing has become an effortless task. You can target your audience based on their demographics, interests, and online behavior. And the best part is, you can measure the success of your campaign with real-time data. Google Ads helps you reach more traffic than SEO or social media alone. When you launch an ad campaign, your ad will appear at the top of the Google search page. This increases the visibility of your business and drives more traffic to your website. One of the best advantages of Google Ads is that it's cost-effective. You can control your budget and set your bids according to your needs. This gives you more flexibility over your ad spends. Moreover, Google Ads give you higher ROI than other marketing channels, making it a highly profitable marketing tool. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.